Hello and welcome to my video all about the Make One Purl increase technique, which is the purl version of the popular Make One increase. I've already knit some stockinette stitch with regular Make Ones either side of the central stitch, but now I'll be demonstrating the Make One Purl on a purl row, i.e. on the wrong side of the knitting. If you haven't done the Make One increase before, I recommend watching my video on those first. There are two versions of the Make One left and the Make One right. The difference is that one version leans to the right and the other leans to the left. You'll therefore often see them paired together in a row in order to create a neat symmetrical effect overall. Okay, so now I'm purling until just before the central stitch. And now I'll demonstrate the Make One Purl left. You first need to find the bar of yarn, which is what we'll be turning into a new stitch. This is a horizontal piece of yarn between the needles with a gap underneath. For the Make One Purl left, you need to take the left hand needle from front to back under this bar, like so. You then need to purl that stitch through the back loop. Because the stitch is basically just a yarn wrap, it is quite awkward to work. You need to take your right hand needle up through the back of the stitch, cross it in front, and then complete it in the same way as a regular purl stitch. And that's the Make One Purl left complete. Now I'll purl the central stitch and show you the Make One Purl right. To do this, find the bar of yarn, then this time go under it from back to front. So that's back to front. I personally remember the phrase "I'll be right back," and that helps me to remember that for the Make One Purl right, you bring the needle from the back. You then need to purl this stitch. I'll now do a couple of rows of stockinette stitch and show you that again. So for the Make One Purl left, take the left needle under the bar from front to back. Then purl this new stitch through the back loop. For the Make One Purl right, go from the back to the front under the bar of yarn. Then purl this new stitch. Because each Make One creates one extra stitch, this would be called a single increase technique. And when you look at the front of the knitting, you'll see that you have left-leaning increases on the left of the central stitch and right-leaning increases on the right, and they blend in well with the knitting overall. In fact, many people refer to Make One increases as invisible increases. And that's it, that's how you knit Make One Purls. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.